following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, standing 7 feet tall, weighing in at 385 pounds, the
strutting to the ring. A surefire Hall of Famer. There is no doubt about it. One of the all-time greats, the Big Show.
One of the all-time greats, possibly in the best physical condition of his career right now.
I think he's on B-Sax's diet.
Well, that's a great thing. Big Show more agile than we've seen him in years. You said it, Corey, looks better than he's been in years. And more dominant than he's been in years. Just the look on the face of the Big Show says it all. I am here, I am ready, not just to compete, but to dominate.
Aberdeen, Washington,
what a giant!
At 210
There's only one.
Daniel Bryan.
As we ready for singles action, Byron, what can you tell us about these two competitors?
Well, I can say that both of these superstars come into this match incredibly hungry to prove their dominance here tonight. But as we all know, only one will walk away with their arm raised in victory.
We've seen it time and time again. When Daniel Bryan's competing in the ring, he possesses dizzying speed and can run circles around most of his opponents.
These guys are undoubtedly going to give us a show here tonight.
Nailed it.
What a stomp!
Good grief.
Boom, right across the small of the back. Big boot. Oh, nasty impact. Ooh, right to the midsection.
You guys see that distance? What a chop!
That'll light up your chest.
Harsh. He goes for the cover. He's got plenty of gas left in his tank.
It's way too early.
Assault on the lower back.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
He's not looking good here. Few would have thought that yelling yes and no would be instrumental in Daniel Bryan connecting with the WWE Universe. But it's when he started these exuberant celebrations that he also started winning titles and earning main event slots.
The stop in the leg.
Just nasty.
Oh, brutal.
DDT!
Lights out.
Byron brought up Daniel Bryan's celebrations capturing the WWE Universe's attention, but it's more than just easy to chant words. The world's so looking for the win. Might be too late for him, but don't tell him that. Ooh! He leaves no impactful slam.
Victory is on the horizon. Absolutely punishing. Oh boy, he is rolling.
The Big Show is so intimidating, he can turn a beast like Brock Lesnar.
An incredible combination.
Can he finish the job?
This may very well be it. Gets the shoulder up before 3.
Gonna take more than that. The yes lock is in! The yes lock is in!
Unreal! Just wearing down the opponent.
Nice. Shut it down.
That 2002 and he slips out.
Wow, looked to me like he had it locked in pretty good. I guess not.
Just a step quicker, it looks like. Oh, and the reversal by Big Show.
Big time impact from way up high.
The shoulders are down. Not enough to end this one.
That's just disrespect right there. I kind of like it.
What a stomp. Good grief. Showing some quickness there. He's in control. Russian leg sweep.
Nicely done.
What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, continuing to punish them. Big Show is not looking so good here. It just doesn't seem to be as... He might have it. Oh, my goodness. Crushing it.
He's definitely starting to lose it here.
Whoa, he lets him out.
What a fool. He had him dead to rights.
Ooh, what an uppercut.
Dropped from above.
A long way down. I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope. Big Show is in position.
The end is near for him.
Look at this.
Nailed it.
This might be it.
Oh, my. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Here he goes. It's a unique move working on the Achilles lock.
This one is over.
Let me tell you, that can cause some serious injury.
What a way to win a singles match. That match deserves another look. Here we go.
He ain't playing here. Who could forget this? I remember this part very well. And here's the last piece of the puzzle.
Here is your winner, Daniel Bryan.
What a grueling match. It looked like anybody's match there toward the end.
I can honestly say that a win is a little more satisfying when you make your opponent tap out.
And it looks to me like our winner is already thinking about the next match. Always one step ahead.
Avert your gaze, Saxton. That's another man's wife.
Easy.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from Chicago, Maria
You guys feel that?
Kanellis.
Do you feel it in the arena?
I feel something, but it might be my lunch.
Don't discount Maria's heart. In 2018, she became a mother and suffered a wrist injury, but she returned to WWE before the end of the year.
In 1 year, Maria Kanellis literally accomplished more than Byron Saxton has in 37 years of life.
I dispute that.
That's why you're the Great Graves. Oh, relax, Corey.
No,
She's a married woman.
Listen, just because you're on a diet doesn't mean you can't look at the menu.
And her partner, from Montreal, Quebec, Canada, Maurice.
We were recently in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, Cole, and I tried to marry every woman I met because they all sounded like Maurice.
That sounds like a personal problem.
Tremendous competitor in the ring. Of course, the wife to The Miz, but Maurice.
I like to refer to The Miz as Maurice's husband.
As successful as Maurice has
I
been,
love it when she does that.
he has a very questionable attitude.
There's nothing to question, Byron.
The statistician for Titus Worldwide.
And their opponents, first, from Cleveland, Ohio, Dana Brooke.
Tremendous athlete, great competitor. Tremendous athlete, great competitor.
Dana Brooke, certainly one of the hardest workers in the women's division, always trying to learn new skills and techniques to better her game.
You got any great stats on this match tonight at NXT for Dana Brooke?
Yeah, 60% of the time, Dana Brooke's statistics are right every time.
And what exactly are these statistics?
Well, it depends on the situation, Byron. It's not like she just pulls these facts out of thin air. There's a lot of research, there's development, there's studies involved.
Hopefully they come with a fact checker.
And her partner, from Moscow, the ravishing Russian, Lana.
Look who's here! The ravishing Russian has been ridiculed and written off her entire career, but here tonight she's looking to have the last laugh and crush the competition.
Well, anybody that's ever ridiculed Lana doesn't know what they're talking about. She's incredibly beautiful,
Byron.
incredibly talented.
Byron.
Speaks like 31 languages.
Byron.
Was a former social ambassador for Rusev.
Byron.
Byron has none of those things.
Whoa,
But Byron's criticized all those things.
I did not. That's not true. I respect Lana. And here we go. This tag team match is going to be heated, to say the least.
Oh, what a gut buster.
Very difficult position to be in right now.
Yeah, situations like this usually don't end very pleasantly.
Oof.
In order to be a premier tag team, a superstar and their teammate must have that continuity where they're a well-oiled machine inside the ring. I'm talking about classic techniques like cutting the ring in half, isolating your opponent, relegating them to your corner, and making frequent tags so that the fresh man is always in the ring. That's how you keep your opponents off balance.
Boom, what impact! What a stomp! Good grief! Corey, a few moments ago, you took us through what it takes for a tag team to be successful. Look out, there's the tag.
And that changes the entire outlook for these women, Michael.
Super kick! Ooh! What a stomp! Good grief! Vicious attack.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh, backing it up there.
Oh, you know that hurt.
Just ruthless.
Bang! Face crusher.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Ooh, what impact. She's taking on some offense here. Her and her partner making a great tag team. We'll see what they're made of here.
I really like the resolve we've seen from her in this tag team match, guys. Though, I wouldn't be against the tag here. You know, just so she can gather herself a bit.
Tag team history was made when the first ever SmackDown Tag Team Champions were crowned at Backlash 2016. The unlikely duo of Rhino and Heath Slater caught lightning in a bottle and ran through the tag team title tournament. In the finals, Rhino and Slater took on the Usos to see which team would be the inaugural Tag Team Champions.
Swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
There was a lot on the line in the tag team tournament finals. The Usos wanted to add another tag team title reign to their resume and enjoyed the recognition of being the first ever SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The team of Rhino and Heath Slater was the team no one expected to be in the finals. Slater had extra motivation because he was fighting for a WWE contract.
And at one point, it seemed like the Usos had everything well in hand, but Rhino and Heath Slater refused to lose. After a gore from Rhino practically cut Jimmy Uso in half, Rhino and Heath Slater went from an unlikely tag team to the first ever SmackDown Tag Team Champions. Never say never in WWE is absolutely right.
Boom! Ah, what a neck breaker.
Oh, nasty impact.
Back suplex.
Very nice.
What a forearm.
Oh man, what a leg drop.
Beautiful technique.
If you talk to Maria Kanellis, it won't be long until she brings up 2017's Money in the Bank, where she returned to WWE with her husband, Mike Kanellis. A night she says she'll never forget.
Harsh impact.
Ooh!
Ooh, what a jawbreaker. Adding to that thought about Maria and Mike Kanellis at Money in the Bank, their lovey-dovey promo touting the power of love was somewhat memorable, I guess.
Oh, there it is. She's made the tag.
And her partner is on absolute fire right now.
Vicious strike. And she kicks out with relative ease.
It's gonna take more than that.
Now the old vicious head crank.
Look at the torque.
For many years, members of the WWE Universe and the WWE locker room have felt that tag team matches should have two referees. One referee is in the ring overseeing the action, and the other is located out on the floor, making sure teams follow the rules and do not engage in potentially damaging behavior. I think it's a good idea, something perhaps Mr. McMahon might want to consider.
Beautiful technique.
Byron, earlier you raised a point that people have been talking about for years, and that's a second referee being appointed to tag team matches. I remember WWE Hall of Famer and former WWE President Gorilla Monsoon used to express his strong advocacy for two referees being appointed to tag team matches.
It's something that's been talked about for decades, Michael, and I don't think it's ever going to happen. We've seen it on occasion, but I think it's best to let the superstars be responsible for themselves. And the appointed official...
Oh, and she makes the tag.
And not a moment too soon, Michael. Oh man, she's rolling now. In a tag team contest, a superstar and partner lock up against another duo. Unless there's a special stipulation added to the match, the traditional rules of a singles match apply in terms of winning the match via pinfall, submission, countout, or disqualification.
When she gets in attack mode, look out. Can she end it here? And she kicks out with relative ease.
Too soon.
Boom, what impact. In a standard tag, face first off the knee.
Oof. She's dominating now.
This night could be over for Dana Brooke. Harsh impact.
Oh, off the big boot.
Nothing.
I bet you feel foolish riding her off now.
This could be it. Cover. This might be it.
Oh, my.
she gets out of the way. While she had a measure of success in the late 2000s, many were surprised to see Maria Kanellis return in 2017. What was even more surprising is that she brought her husband, Mike.
Axe handle finds its target.
Boom! Not again. Wow!
One of these competitors is eventually going to have to gain the upper hand, right? Oh, nasty impact.
Michael, you touched on Maria and Mike Kanellis' emergence in 2017. Well, that year also brought them their first child, but they recently returned with a vengeance.
Mike was simply sick.
Neckbreaker! Incredible! Maria Kanellis connected with a match-ending move! That has got to be it. Now that's an impressive tag team victory. And here's another quick look at those superstars in action in that tag team battle.
Check this out. She's taking care of business. Highlight for one superstar, low light for another. Ain't nothing better than action like this.
Here are your winners, Maria Kanellis and Maryse.
Big win here in tag team action tonight.
To get the pinfall victory over such a high-quality opponent is incredibly impressive, Michael.
I wouldn't be surprised if we saw these teams going back to it at some point in the very... Welcome to Balor Club.
He is an extraordinary man that does extraordinary things. Finn Balor is in the house.
The following
It is
contest
electric.
is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Bray, County Wicklow, Ireland. Weighing in at 190 pounds, Finn Balor.
One of the most incredible athletes to ever step foot in WWE, Finn Balor.
The future is bright for the Irishman, Finn Balor.
This man is an enigma with a profound skill set that we have never witnessed before.
A world-renowned superstar.
Former NXT champion, the first ever Universal champion, Finn Balor, ladies and gentlemen, is for real.
Guys, if
And
you are
his
looking for
opponent,
a billboard
first,
example of
from
a
Cameron,
superstar
North Carolina,
who has it,
weighing in
who has
at
the it factor,
225
look no
pounds,
further
Jeff
than Finn Balor.
Hardy.
Oh, man. The excitement level just went through the roof in this arena. One half of Team Extreme.
The charismatic enigma about to grace the WWE Universe with his presence. A true daredevil in every sense of the word, Jeff Hardy is immune to fear.
Synonymous with tag team title reigns, a former United States champion, former world heavyweight champion. And what's amazing to think about, guys, is that the career of Jeff Hardy started at just the young age of 16 when he made his WWE debut.
And from Kyoto, Japan, weighing in
Here
at
comes
220 pounds, Shinsuke Nakamura.
Corey, this man has taken WWE by storm.
You're absolutely right. And since WrestleMania, since this quote, change in attitude from Shinsuke, some people have called it some sort of psychological downward spiral. I think it's been an emotional ascent, leading Nakamura straight to the top.
Well, that ascent has made Nakamura one of the most dangerous superstars in all of WWE, simply because you never know what he's going to do next.
Confusing, charismatic, and dangerous as the day is long.
The bell rings and Finn Balor is here to prove that the Demon is ready to make it head on his opponent.
A lot of times, the smart move in a match like this is to sit back in the weeds. Let the other two superstars tear each other apart. Let's see if we get any of that here tonight.
You gotta believe this one's over. What a strike.
Ooh, what impact.
Nice running crossbody. Beautiful technique.
Oh, what a combo.
Ooh, what impact. Oh, you cannot take your eyes off him for a second.
Really? And he's heading back in.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
What a strike. Things not looking great for Finn Balor. He looks to be a little surprised right now.
The dangers of this triple threat match appear to have escalated quickly on him. And this has all the makings of getting out of hand fast. He better be careful.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
Slammed with authority.
It takes a lot of guts to call yourself the king of strong style, but Shinsuke Nakamura has proven time and time again that he's worthy of the nickname.
Cole, I've been calling Nakamura's matches since his debut, and given how many NXT and WWE superstars have been laid out by the Kinshasa, there aren't many who can dispute Nakamura's moniker.
Drop kick.
Hits the mark.
Drop kick.
Beautiful. Oh, using the knee as a weapon. You guys mentioned Nakamura's title as the King of Strong Style, and he truly earned that with every quote-unquote need to face. Unfortunately, he's also the king of low blows, given his underhanded tactics lately.
Saxton, I'd say those low blows are pretty strong too. Tell you what, we'll have Nakamura hit you with one, and you can report back as to whether or not he's still the King of Strong Style.
I'll pass, thanks.
Nailed it.
Back suplex.
Strong kick.
My goodness.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Oh, and a snapmare.
That'll give you whiplash.
Oh, and a terrific reversal by Finn Balor. Knee drop. Jeff Hardy forced into defensive mode here. He's starting to feel the pressure of this triple threat match, guys.
You'd have to think he came into this triple threat match with a plan. And I think it's safe to say that that plan has gone awry.
And he doesn't stay down for long.
Well, looks like the Daredevil wants to take a few more spills.
Why not?
Oh, what impact. Oh, nasty impact.
Shinsuke Nakamura beginning to breathe a little heavy now.
His chances of winning this triple threat match are starting to dwindle.
Given what he's gone through in his match so far, I wouldn't be surprised to see one of these guys pluck him off here.
In February of 2017, SmackDown Live was lit thanks to an epic triple threat match for the WWE Championship. Champion Bray Wyatt defended the title against former champions John Cena and AJ Styles. This battle overflowed with mayhem before the match even got underway, thanks to Luke Harper attacking his former leader, Bray Wyatt.
Catch, suplex, DDT! It's not often that the WWE Championship is incapacitated before a title defense. John Cena and Jeff Hardy's like, this might be it!
Oh my, but he's got to capitalize now!
Just some great execution right there.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
Shoulders down, this could be it. All too easy for Shinsuke Nakamura to escape.
Gonna take a whole lot more.
Yeah, let's hope he can keep this kind of effort going.
Ooh! He could do it here. And a kick out by Jeff Hardy.
Way too early.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
Finn Balor perched on top. Here it comes.
That one fails to connect.
Great idea by him. Too bad it was awfully executed, though.
What a face buster!
Nope, reverses it. Inverted power slam.
Wow. The king of strong style with a massive slam.
Shinsuke Nakamura.
Can't waste any time here.
Finn Balor, will he be victorious? And a kick out.
It's gonna take more than that. The Irishman has his Irish up.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Irish whip. Uh-oh.
In position. Look out. Here it comes.
What is keeping Finn Balor in this match? Barely hanging in there. There may be no coming back from this.
Oh, man, he's ripe for the picking now. There's almost no way he can still win this thing. Not after taking all this punishment.
He's in tough shape, guys, and there's absolutely...
And he goes for the pin!
Yeah, I don't believe that he didn't win this match right there.
Not yet. Head scissors applied. And oh, look at this.
Jeff Hardy is in position.
Harsh impact.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
He could pin his opponent right here.
Never say die attitude out of him.
Wow, Nakamura was all but finished, but he still has the strength to kick out and survive.
Using the elbow as a weapon. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, alley-oop powerbomb.
That might be it.
He's got the shoulders down. Two, digging deep for a kick out.
With all the damage done, you have to wonder how much more it'll take. Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
When this guy's on, look out. Nakamura might have it right here.
Dug down deep and gets the shoulder up.
Balor shooting out of that pinfall like a bullet.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Here we go for the win. And he got a near fall out of it.
Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it. Balor looking to close this one out. Oh, 1916.
This one's over, guys.
Looking for all the glory here. Two. This guy just refuses to quit.
I can't believe what we're seeing here.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Here's the cover for the win. And he got a near fall out of it.
Gonna take more than that.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Jeff Hardy looking to attack from the ropes. Incoming.
Somebody's got hops.
He's got him covered. 2, 3. And there's is your winner, ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Hardy. Those three superstars laid it all on the line, as we can see right here in these clips.
He's getting it done here. He ain't playing here. Check him out here. And so it goes.
Here is your winner, Jeff Hardy.
You heard the ring announcer. This one's over. And here's your winner.
That's the kind of action you expect here in the WWE when you put three rabid competitors in the ring at the same time.